Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. This is your math class and week number 7. Here is your math learners book, page 5. Okay, so our quarter 1, okay, based on from page number 4 to page number 18, okay, and in the next quarter we will start from page number 19, okay. So now we will review the previous lessons, okay. So we are going to preview the previous lessons, page number from page number 4 to 5, okay. So this is the lesson number 2, between decades, page 5. We learn that what are the decade numbers and the midpoint. So as you know, this is the 100 square chart where you can find different numbers, okay. In this chart you can find the decade numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So these are the decade numbers and you can find on this number chart. And you can also find out the midpoint. Now look at the red line on this chart. So these are the midpoint. When you count from 1 to 10, so what is the midpoint? 5. And what is the decade number? 10. And the next line, what is the midpoint? It's 15. And what is the decade number? 20. So let's talk about, look at this number line, and I'm going to tell you that what is the midpoint. So look at the number from 0 to 10. So look at the 5. The 5 is the midpoint. Okay, the middle number. When you count from 0 to 10, the 5 will be the midpoint number. Look at this. Now, so can you find the midpoint numbers from this chart now? Yes, 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. These are the midpoint numbers. And what are the decade numbers? You have to start from 10 to 100. Okay, so let's do the exercise. Okay, review the exercise. Circle the midpoint. So here are the numbers from 70 to 80. Okay, so first of all, circle the midpoint. So what is the midpoint? 75. And what is the decade number? 80. Okay, 75 is the midpoint and 80 will be the decade number. 20 to 30. What is the midpoint? 25. And what is the decade? 30. So you have to revise, okay, the multiples of 10. As you know, many students are very good to count multiples of 10s. So you have to say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So these are the multiples of 10. You have to memorize them, and these are very important in math subject. So this is the vocabulary. You have to learn the decade numbers, okay, from 0 to 100. And this is the exercise. You already finished. If you're not, you have to finish on the book and try to send on my WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Take care.